Hi. Lists and dictionaries are two important class objects in Python. This session we will discuss everything about the dictionary and we will see what are the similarities between list and dictionary we have in Python. So stay tuned. Here I have my Jupyter notebook launched here. You can see the screen. First, before we go deep dive with the dictionary class objects in Python, we need to understand what are the similarities we have in a list and dictionary in Python. List and dictionary both are the important pillar of the Python, and you can use a scenario based these two class objects as per your requirement in a programming while you writing a Python script in order to have a result. Now list and dictionary both are mutable. That means their elements can be changed even after creating a list. You have seen what are the methods we have with the list and how to create a list and read, update and delete a list. If you haven't through with this, let's check out my video over the list I have posted on my YouTube channel. You can go through and have a refresher so that you can have a good understanding what a list is. Now in this session we will discuss about the dictionary in Python. Here we have we have through with the list is created with the square bracket and we gonna input our elements within the square bracket. But in case of dictionary, we will have a curly bracket and we will start inputting the elements within the curly brackets. Now, first let's start with the uh, creating a dictionary. So let's start uh, creating an empty empty dictionary. Dictionary is start with a curly braces, and you can see here I have created a dictionary. One is the name of the dictionary having no elements within the curly braces. That means I have created an empty dictionary. Let's try with another method of creating a dictionary. We will show you 3 or 4 types of method to create a dictionary. First, I have through with the how to create an empty dictionary. Now let's start with creating a dictionary with few elements. Now I'm giving the name of the dictionary as dictionary 1. Now start curly braces and make input the elements here. In list we have elements, but in dictionary we have key and a value pair like name as John. Meaning we have dictionary, this is name as a key and name's value as John. That means whenever you go to find the name, you will have answer as John. Generally, you go for any dictionary and you will going to find any value, then you have the replacement of your questions available in the dictionary. In the same way, we have a key value, key keyword here, and associated value we have separated with a semicolon. And if you want to have another element, then you should have comma in between. Then I'm going to have another key which is age, and age would be a 52. This is integer type, so I'm not giving any quotation mark here. Now I'm giving a spouse. Here I have a spouse like Millie. And then I have children. Here I have three children, so I'm giving name within a list. So here I have Tina, Meena and Ganesh. And then close the curly braces. Now see the dictionary. We have a dictionary created with few elements, and here we have before the semicolon we have all the keys, and after the semicolon we have their value associated with each and every key value in the dictionary. This is one way for creating a dictionary. Now I am going to show you with another way to create a dictionary. Let's try with another way of creating a dictionary. I am going to show you another way of creating a dictionary with a dict, which is a reserved word for spell out for dictionary in Python. So I am giving the same name dict1 what I have used earlier, and here I am going to use dict word, and I am going to create a dictionary, and I am going to define name as John, and here I have to give a comma, and age 52, then comma, spouse, then comma, then we have children, and here because we have three children, so I have to write down within a square bracket, meaning I have to create a list for these three children. So just give a name for all these three. Now go to check. We have the same dictionary created with the dict word. Now I'm going to create with the another way. So let's try with another way of creating a dictionary with the dict word. So I'm going to giving a name, same name, dict1, and here I'm going to use dict word, which is a reserved word. Here I'm going to give a name equal my name is John. Again age equal 52. Again spouse equal this, and we have children equal like this. Now let's check this one. We have the same result, but the way of creating this dictionary is different. So different way you can create a dictionary. Now let's recap this. Here I have started creating an empty dictionary because I have no element within the curly bracket, meaning dictionary will be created using a curly bracket. Dictionary is a key value pair. That means in dictionary I go to search for a word value, then I write the word or search for the word, we have associated value in that dictionary. In the same way, dictionary comes in Python. Here you have defined a key and this is your key value. This is your key and this is your key value. This is key, your value. This key, this is value. That means you are going to find the value of the key. So dictionary is created with the key value pair within the curly braces. List and dictionary both are mutable, that means you can change their elements at any point of time. That means those lists and dictionaries are dynamic. They can be nested. That means we have seen in the list section, we have created list of lists. In the same way, you can create dictionary of the list. That means you can insert a list in the dictionary, and you can see here in the square bracket, this is a list and I have inserted while creating a dictionary. So list and dictionary both are mutable, meaning the element can be changed. Both are dynamic. You can replace element at any point of time, and they both are nested. That means they are created as a nested dictionary or a list. The first time I have created empty dictionary because I have no element within the curly braces. So when you go for the search, we have a empty dictionary. Curly bracket showing that you have created a dictionary. Now I have used some other point to create a dictionary. This is the first way of creating a dictionary. This is the second way of creating a dictionary using a dict reserve word. And again we have created a dictionary using a dict reserve word. Here with the reserve word we have created a list under the dictionary, and here I have used only a reserve word with the dictionary, and here children name have only the list I have included. So these are the way of creating a dictionary. So here I am going to use some points so that we know what I have through with. So this is the create section. Now I'm going to read out the sections. So read out or accessing the element. We all know using index number we gonna find out or access the element from a list, but in case of dictionary we have to define your key and the associated value you gonna find out. Now I have dictionary 1 which is already been created. You can see here we have the dictionary length is 4, and we have key value name and its value is John. Key is age and the value of 52. In the same way for the spouse and children. Now I want to access the name, so you have to give like this. In this way you gonna find out in dictionary 1 what is the name. It will give you the name is John. If you want to find out the spouse, then it will give you the spouse value. Spouse is your key, Millie is the value. If you want to have out a children, then you just keep the key and the associated value is picked up. In this way, you can access the element or read out the element from a dictionary. Now, going to have some update section. In this section, we will update a few items of the dictionary. Now, I want to add one more element because in dictionary one which I have already been created having the four key and their pair value. Now I want to add one additional key and pair value so that it becomes length of 5. Currently we have length of 4 dictionary. That means this is 1, this is second, this is third, and the children are the fourth. Now I want to add into them. So what should I do? The same way dictionary 1 which I have already. Now I'm going to add. Now let's see the difference. I'm going to add a father name, and my father name is given as Rajkumar. Now let's check the dictionary 1. Now we have length of 5 dictionary. That means we have 4 key pair value already, and fifth is the additional one which I just get added into this. Now we have key value which is not exist in the this one. What in case the key is already been adjusted, then what happens? If I'm going to update a name which is already key is available in here, so it will not get added additional. It will change only these keys value get changes. Now I'm going to give here now as name as Robert, meaning in this way you are going to update names value John as Robert. Let's check this. Now John get replaced by the new name as Robert, meaning the key which already exists in the dictionary, their value gets changes. If the key you are going to update or add into an existing dictionary and those keys are not available in the dictionary, then it will get added from the last. So you have proved it how to add another key pair into the existing dictionary and how to update the existing key with the another value. So this is the way of updating this. Now I'm going to use a few methods over this. So methods application over a dictionary. Now first method is a copy method. First method I'm going to use as a copy, meaning it's simply copying the whole dictionary which you are going to define here. Now I have only one dictionary which is a dict one, and here I'm going to use a copy. This way I'm going to copy the whole dict one, and I'm going to name X as the copy dictionary. Now let's see what is X. X is the same what we have as the dictionary one. You can check from here and here. This is your X, which is a copy of dict one, and this is the original dict one. Both having the same key value pair. So this is the way you can use a copy method. Now I'm going to use a get method. Get method. What get method will do? You have a dict one or you have X now because you have the same dictionary with the different name. So I'm going to use dict one, and now I want to get. What do you want to get? I want to get as age. Now let's see. In dictionary 1, you are getting the value of age. Age you have to input within this parenthesis. So age you have given the associated value will picked up. This is way you can use a get method. Now I'm going to use some another method, items. What does this items method will do for us? It will pick up the items. Now dict1 is my the dictionary which I have already been created. Then I'm going to use items. Now you can see we have the items 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The key and value, key and value. One key and value becomes one item. Another key and value becomes second item. In the same manner, we have four items in dictionary, and they have, when you use items method, you will have one, second, third, fourth and fifth. Every item with the key pair value gets separated and you can easily count it. So this is way you can find out what are the items we have, and each items have their respective key value pairs. Now here in the dictionary, before the colon we all have as keys. In the right side of the column, we have all value as values. So if I go to find in dictionary 1, what are my keys? You can have keys in this way using keys this keyword. So here I'm going to use keys method. Keys methods are used to find out the keys you have defined in your dictionary. Now, name, age, spouse, children, father, these are the keys which I have find out here. Now, I'm going to find out the values. Then we have Robert 52, these. That means keys are before the colon and values are after the colon. Now, the same way I'm going to use value method, and here in dictionary 1 I'm going to find the values. Now you can see in the values we have Robert 52 milli like this. So these are the methods we have applied. Now I'm going to update using of update method. What update method we do in the list session, you have to with that you are going to extend method. That means in case you have two lists, one list get extended with the another list. That in combination there will be result of one single list with having the elements of both of the lists all together as a consolidated. In the same case, with the dictionary, you have to use update in place of what we have used extend in list. So let's we have uh, dict one, this one. Now another we have x. So I'm going to update. So dict 1 which I have already, and now I am going to update. Update which one? X, which is my copy of the dict 1, meaning having the same dictionary and key pair value but with the different name. Now let's see the dict 1. We have the same 5 value. That means we have added two dictionary with their key pair value, but still we have only the uh, 5 items in the dictionary 1, because both the key pair value of both the dictionary we have the same key pair value. That means dictionary will not allow any duplication. If you want to enter a duplicate value in the dictionary, you are not allowed to do that. But in case of list, you can do it. That's why we have the same value. Now, if you want to enter uh, in dictionary 1, now I'm going to enter in dictionary 1 and another value like uh, state, and here I'm going to giving a state as a CA, California. And now let's see the dictionary. We have the 6 key pair value. Earlier we had a 5 key pair value. Now I'm going to use the same method update as this one. Now you check, we have 6 elements, because in dictionary 1 dictionary we have 6 key pair value, and in X we have only 5 key pair value. But in case of update method, we have the 6 length of 6 key pair value in dictionary 1 as of now, because update method is working like creating a combination of the different dictionary into a single dictionary. So in this way you can use update method. And now I want to find the length of the dictionary. So I'm going to find dictionary 1 length of the dictionary. You can see there are 6 items we have in dictionary, so we have 6 as an answer. So here uh, length method. Len is a short form of length method. Now I'm going to use some delete portion, delete session. So delete. Here we have been through with the create and reading out, how to read out and update, and then I'm going to delete. Now dictionary 1 I have already. Now I'm going to delete a specific item, going to use as a pop. Pop means deleting those items which you gonna specify. So here I'm going to specify as a name. That means in dictionary 1 I'm going to specify the name. Now name is the raw word. That means you have popped out the name key and their value is raw word. Now let's check dictionary 1. Now you can see the name which name item which you have already been deleted is not available here, because you have deleted this one. And another method is going to use here a clear. So tick 1 clear method. In this way you going to clear all the items you have in the existing dictionary. Now I have cleared all the items and I have only the empty dictionary, meaning only having the curly braces, having no items into it. So in this way you can use a pop method used to delete a specific items, and clear method used to clear all items from a dictionary. So now I want to show you one more thing, how to access, how to read. Now you have read a dictionary in dictionary 1 children, and we have 3 children here, Tina, Meena and Ganesh. Now let's create this dictionary again. So I want to show you. Now we have 3 children, but in case what I want Meena, only Meena to be picked out, because we have 3 children here, but I want only the middle name. should be picked out. Then how we'll access this? The same way, dictionary one in children, when I write like this, we will have all the three children name. But now again I want to have their index number, and in list you can see that everything gonna start from 0, 1, 2 like this. So in this case we have 0, 1, 2. Now I want to pick the middle term, then I have to give here 1 because Meena is at 1 index position. So you have to give 1. In this way, in the dictionary, first access the item which you want to access it, then you will differentiate it, the items or the elements available in that items, then you have to give a index number like this. So in case of having the children find out first, then I have to use dictionary the children. In this way we will have all the three children, but in these three children I want to the middle one, so I have to give here 1 so that I can access this one only. Now you can see. So in this way you can access a, a specific item from a dictionary so also. So in recap, we have to be the how to create a dictionary, how to read out, and how to access and specific elements in the dictionary or key value pair in the dictionary, and then how to update a dictionary, and what are the few methods we gonna apply with the dictionary, and how we'll have the results, and then we have the delete sessions, and all sessions gets over now. So stay tuned for the next upcoming video, and please subscribe for those who haven't subscribed at my channel. Thanks for watching.